Hello everyone, my name is Rupinder Kaur and I am from NGE Global Immigration and IELTS and PT Institute. So today I am going to discuss about writing task 2 essay, that is of type discuss both views, and second type is discuss both views and give your opinion. Let's first talk about discuss both views only. The essay which asks you for discuss both views, in that kind of essay you have to make only 4 BPs, 4 body paragraphs. First will be based on introduction. Now how to introduce the topic? There is an ongoing debate, or this is a debatable issue that a group of individuals believe that tell about the first argument. However, others go averted with second argument. So then this essay will discuss both argument along with suitable examples in the subsequent paragraphs. Then BP1, body paragraph 1, with on the one side of the argument, there are people who perceive, then write about what they think about one side of the argument. Then the main reason is why they think so. Then to cite an example, you should give one example also to prove your point. Then start with second paragraph, that is based on the contrary. It means on the other side of the argument. Then write about that argument and how to explain it by writing moreover, additionally, or you should add a survey. Survey, according to a recent survey conducted by United States of Census Bureau, revealed that. Then support your contrary point with that survey. Okay. Then come to the conclusion. In the conclusion of the essay based on discuss both views, in the conclusion it can be reiterated that both the arguments have their own merits and demerits. However, individuals and government should play their roles to solve this issue. So this is the best criteria to score 8+ bands in writing, and we have the results with 8+ bands of our institute students, so who follow this type of criteria for the essay, that is discuss both views. Now let's talk about essay type that is based on discuss both views and give your opinion. So in this essay, it is different from the earlier essay. In that essay, you are asked about discuss both views only, and you have written 4 paragraphs. And in this type of essay, they are asking you discuss both views and give your opinion too. So here there is a requirement to write 5 paragraphs. First is introduction. How to introduce? There is an ongoing debate, or this is a debatable issue that a group of individuals believe that about the first argument. Then by writing, however, others go averted with second argument. This essay will discuss both arguments along with my perspective in the subsequent paragraphs. Here you need to write my perspective, right? Then start BP1. On the one side of the argument, there are people who perceive what they think. Then the main reason why they think so. Then to cite an example to make your point strong. On the contrary, or according to second school of thought, it means you are going to talk about second argument. So elaborate it by adding moreover, additionally, and don't forget to write a survey according to a recent survey conducted by United States Census Bureau. Then in BP third, there is a need to write BP third, in which you can give your opinion. As per my perspective, government should allocate funds to. According to the topic, you should give your opinion in the different paragraph. In conclusion, it can be reiterated that both the arguments have their own merits and demerits. However, individuals and government should play their role to solve this issue. So this is the best criteria to write an essay based on discuss both views and give your opinion. So for more information, you can visit our center. Thank you so much.